Hello everybody, it's your boy Ahinsko, and I welcome you back once again to Ahinsko Solutech. On this channel, how we do is we teach how to make money online, and then we also teach tech techniques and then tricks. In general, this channel is all about IT. If this is your first time being on this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and then turn on the bell so that each and every time that I release new video, you'll be the first person to get it. And if you're old here, thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'll be teaching you another way to make money online by completing tasks. So without further ado, let's dive into the video starting right now. The website or the app that I'll be using for today is called Sproutgigs. Sproutgigs. At first it was Pico Workers, but they have changed it to Sproutgigs. It says where the world works. Sproutgigs is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. Easy to do affordable tasks. So it's an online freelance whatever marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. So we just go in there and perform some simple tasks and then get paid. So you go in there and then perform some simple tasks and then get paid in dollars. If you are new to this website, all that you gotta do, you have to click here that says sign up to sign up for a new account. So I will place a link in the video description for you to access this website. All that you gotta do is you have to click on the link in the video description and then sign in or sign up for a new account. So when you click on sign up, it will ask you simple the details like type your response here, real name for interval verification only. You type your email here, you type your password, you confirm your password, your nickname, you come and then select your country. It works most of the countries. So my fellow Nigerians, my friends in Nigeria who were saying my videos are most concerned here in Ghana, I think this will also benefit you. So you have to just jump to it and then start earning some decent amount of money here. And here it is asking select the desired profile tag now, but you can switch between them later. Either you want to work and then get paid, or you want to employ someone and then pay them. So I know you are here to work and then get paid, so you just leave it here that says I am a worker. After you are done, you come and get here that says agree to Sproutgigs terms of services and privacy policy, and then also you can click here for them to send you news, events and offers via periodic email. After that, you click on sign up, and then they will send you email for you to confirm. Your account will be successfully created for you after you confirm your email. I am already an existing user, so I will just log into my account to show you how things works there. So when you register for new account on this website, this is how your account dashboard will look like. Pretty clean and then user friendly. You're having micro jobs here that says job level, category, payment, location, and then impact. So these are the works below. This person wants people to do watch video for about 60 seconds, and then he'll pay he'll pay the workers $3. And this person wants 31 people to do the work, but he has gotten only 29, which means it has left with only 2 people to complete the task. So if you are serious enough, you can just get this $3 for free by just watching 60 seconds video. And this person wants someone to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then the person will pay the one who will subscribe $3, and he needs 29 people and only 10 people have done the work. So it's a level with some there as follows. So you choose from the list below your preferred choice, and then you just go and then do the work and then get paid. Come here and let me show you something. Click on job level and let me show you something. On this job level, they are having starter, they are having advanced, and then the expert. I know you are new to this website, so there will be no need for you to go and click on expert or anywhere. Just click on starter and then click on apply. So you click on starter here and then you click on apply. Alright, after you are done, you have to come here that says category. There are many categories here, so you are going to choose from your preferred choice. Now the categories are what? Sign up category, SEO, which is search engine optimization plus, promote content plus search plus engage. They're having data entry, collection, extraction, Telegram, which you are going to join Telegram groups and then get paid. They're having this called TikTok here. So let's assume you want sign up works, so you just come and choose sign up works here, sign up, and then you click on apply. Alright, you can see it is loading, so you have to wait patiently for it to load, and then you look through the jobs provided, the one best suits you, and then you are good to go. Alright, so these are the sign up works here. This is MPH market, sign up plus what? Verify ID, and then you will be paid 0.500 cents. This is IXFI, sign up plus KYC, and then you will be paid 0.200 cents. This is what? Come yes, search plus sign up, email verification, and then you will be paid 0.100 cents. And it's as follows. So you look through the one that best suits you. It is easy for you to do. So if let's assume you are interested doing this work, all that you gotta do, you have to click on it, and then it will ask you some simple details like click on this link, copy this link, and then paste it. After you are done, take screenshot and then come and upload it here. You take screenshot and then come and upload it there, and then you are good to go. So click on this three dotted lines here, and let me show you another thing here. So you can switch to employer if you want to employ people and then pay them, but I know you are here to make some money by performing tasks, so you have to leave it as worker. And this website too is saying it will pay you when you refer people to their website. So let's assume you want to make more money on this website. You have to invite people, you have to invite your friends by clicking here that says share and earn, or you have to go there and then copy your go there and then copy your referral link and then share for your friends. So when they join using your referral link, you're going to get commission on that. Let's click on wallet and let me show you another thing here. So this website is saying withdrawals are processed within 10 business days of placing a request. So I think their minimum threshold to withdraw is $10 or so. Yeah, $10, and it will take 10 business days. If you are lucky enough, it will take I think 3 days for you to receive it. But when the system is very busy, it will take 10 business days for you to receive your money. So after 10 days and you do not receive your money, you have to come and then chat their support team, and then they will quickly get back to you. So let's click on request withdrawal. Let me show you another thing here. So it says withdraw when you have over $5 in your end balance. So their minimum threshold to withdraw is $5. It says you cannot withdraw money from your spendable balance. Alright, withdrawals are processed within 10 business days, as I said earlier. And then another amazing part using this website is compared to other sites, their payment method is only PayPal, and I know many of you are not having PayPal account here in Ghana, but this website is giving you 4 payment method here, and the one that is well known to Ghanaians here is Litecoin, which is crypto. If you do not have any crypto account, just go to Play Store and then download Trust Wallet, and then you go there and then copy your Litecoin wallet and then come and paste it here, and then just take your money, as simple as ABC. And then they are having PayPal here, they are having Skrill, and then Uphold here. It says I'm not having enough funds to withdraw. That's why you are saying not enough funds. And as easy as ABC, and then you are good to earn in dollars using this website. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, kindly share for others to enjoy, and then smash that like button. Follow Ahinsko Solo Tech here on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. It's Ahinsko here, and I'm out. Bye.